In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backdrop in Canva updated for 2025. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned designer, grasping how to efficiently craft a visually appealing backdrop is an essential skill for all kinds of content creation. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring that each step is straightforward and understandable. To begin, let's navigate to Canva and open up the project where you want to create your backdrop. If you haven't started one yet, select Create a Design from the home page and choose your preferred dimensions or predefined template. Once your canvas is ready, go ahead and click on the background space. This step is vital as it opens up the customization options that will allow you to change the backdrop's color and design elements. The background area can often be overlooked, but remember it's the foundation on which your project will build, impacting the overall aesthetics significantly. Next, locate the color icon situated in the toolbar on your screen, typically represented as a palette symbol or a colored circle. Clicking this will display a menu of color options for you to explore. If you have a specific color scheme in mind, this is where you can match your backdrop to those colors. Canva provides a range of basic colors by default, but you also have the option to input a hex code for more precision, giving you flexibility to stay brand consistent or mix things up creatively. As you dive into your color choices, scroll down to explore the gradient options. Gradients add depth and dimension to a flat color backdrop, transforming a simple canvas into something dynamic and engaging. Choose from a variety of pre-made gradient options Canva offers, or customize your own by selecting different color combinations. This ability to modify gradients can dramatically elevate the look of your design, so feel free to experiment with different shades and see what resonates with your theme. Finally, before you settle on your backdrop, take a moment to preview how it interacts with any other elements on your canvas. This ensures that the color or gradient you've chosen complements other visual aspects such as text or images, achieving a cohesive and polished final product. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating compelling backdrops on Canva. Remember, designing is a creative process, so don't hesitate to try out different combinations until you find the perfect match for your project. Happy designing, and we hope this guide empowers you to create backdrops that truly resonate with your audience.